Using Siri on your iPhone is the quickest way to reach out to your iPhone using voice command. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Siri on iPhone, quick and easy, and the fastest way. I'll also show you how to enable your side button to activate Siri on your iPhone. So what you want to do, when you want to set up or activate Siri on your iPhone is click on the settings button, then scroll down, click on Siri and search. Now, under Ask Siri, click on Listen For, and then choose either Siri or Hey Siri or ordinary Hey Siri. So once you choose that, you see what that says Enable Siri, then tap Enable Siri. And once you click on that, you see a pop-up that says Setup Siri and Hey Siri. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say Siri or Hey Siri. Then tap on the Continue button. Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Then, you have successfully set up Siri on your iPhone. You say, Siri is ready. iPhone will listen for Hey Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of request. Once you are talking to Siri, you can add another request without saying its name again. So this implies that when you are talking to Siri, you just need to continue talking instead of starting all over by saying Siri or Hey Siri. Then tap on the done button when you are done. And there you go. We've successfully set up Siri. But before we end up this video, all you need to do is come back to press side button for Siri. So you can now use your iPhone side button to power off your iPhone and at the same time call Siri attention. So come down to Siri voice and then select your preferred choice under the Siri voice that you want to use. So in this case, I prefer to use the British varieties and voice number 2. So let's go ahead now and try the Siri function on our iPhone. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 17:42.
So this is exactly how to set up and use Siri on your iPhone. So find this interesting, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.